Does it happen to you that you go to open the lift gate and it just won't open right? Well, I mean, when I got it, you just unlatch the back of it and it would kind of lift up on its own because it's the struts in there are gas filled, gas pressured, so it kind of helped push up the door. It doesn't work anymore. So today, we're going to change those out. Picked up 2 of these Monroe Max Lift gas charge supports, and we're going to get these installed. For this change, what you're going to need besides the shock is a screwdriver, flathead. Get one with a relatively small tip, and a board. The board is to hold the tailgate up when you take one of those shocks off, because the first shock you take off, because they're both kind of worn, this tailgate is just going to drop on you. So you want to be able to brace that. For these old struts, what we're going to want to do is there's a little clip. Let's see if I can get this to focus. It's a little clip right there. And what we're going to want to do is get this screwdriver inside that clip, pull out on it to pop that clip out of there. Now it doesn't have to come all the way off, because this clip, the little teeth on the clip here, actually grip onto the ball socket. You just need to pull it out so it's no longer gripping on that. Now let's do the other side. The same here, it has a little opening that we're going to want to get the screwdriver in and just pry that out like that. Okay, now it'll just pop right off of there, and we'll put the new one on. Have your board ready. For the new ones, the replacements, they already have a clip right there connected to it. We're going to pry that up just a little bit so it'll kind of disengage. In here, inside, you can see how the clip actually grips onto the ball socket. Now, one other thing is it's already got a little lubricant in there, so you don't have to worry about that either. So we're just going to pull that out just a little bit, maybe push it up out of the way, so that we can easily pop that on when we're ready. You'll need the board there to hold this tailgate up, because with one of these struts, it's not strong enough to hold the tailgate. So we'll just put this on. And again, I'm holding the clips at the end there, so you can see that it's not, it's not held or not bracing anything. It's wide open inside there. If you do by chance actually pop that off, you can get it on again. Just start from the top. You see how the top's got these little slices in it, these little edges. You can put one corner in there and then pry the other one so they just pop. And you just want to get it in place so it'll hold it like that. That makes it a lot easier when you go to put the strut on. So we'll just put that on like that. You can kind of tell that it's connected. It's going to let that drop in there. Okay, and then we'll just grab that little top part. And if it doesn't slide down easily, like it's not, then we'll grab our handy dandy screwdriver and just kind of pull it. Hard to do this with one hand here. I'll just pull that down. Alright, let me try with another hand. Okay, that popped on easy. I'm right-handed, so I can't hold the camera with the right hand and try to do this left-handed. So you just pull that little retaining clip down, and it pops right into place. And that's not going to come out. It's held in place there. Okay, so let's do the other end. Now for this one, you want to turn it so that it's actually facing the right way. You can see there's the clip right there, or the prong that we're going to put it on. So we'll just turn it like that. You got to use a little force, and then I'm going to have to lift up the tailgate to put this on. And then we'll just push that clip right down into place. Okay, that's what it will look like when it's engaged there. So let's give it a try. So both of them have been changed out. We'll close the hatch and see if this made any better. Oh, it still hangs, but it's definitely a lot better. I don't have to pull up on that anymore. That's a win. Before I had to kind of really lift up on it. There we go. Perfect. I'll leave these parts that I got in the description.